Your eyes are tired, aren't they? Blurry vision, dryness, burning after a long day. And if you are over 50 or 60, you may have noticed something else. Night vision is getting weaker. Reading small text feels harder. Bright lights bother you more. But what if one simple fruit before bed could help protect your eyes while you sleep? Today, doctors are talking about a powerful nighttime habit: eating kiwi before bedtime. Yes, this small green fruit is becoming a favorite among eye specialists and nutrition experts for one important reason. Your eyes repair themselves at night. While you sleep, your body works like a healing machine. Cells regenerate, tissues repair, and your eyes recover from the stress of the entire day. But for this repair process to work properly, your body needs the right nutrients. That's where kiwi comes in. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, one of the strongest antioxidants for eye health. This vitamin helps protect the delicate blood vessels inside your eyes and reduces oxidative stress, one of the main causes of age-related vision problems. Doctors say oxidative damage is a major factor behind conditions like macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eye syndrome. Eating foods high in antioxidants before sleep gives your body the support it needs to fight this damage overnight. But vitamin C is not the only reason kiwi is special. This fruit also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful nutrients known as eye vitamins. These compounds help protect the retina from harmful blue light and support the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp central vision. If you spend time on your phone, TV, or computer, your eyes are constantly exposed to blue light. Over time, this exposure can weaken eye tissues. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes, filtering harmful light and reducing strain. Now here's another surprising benefit. Kiwi helps you sleep better. Studies have shown that eating kiwi before bed can improve sleep quality because it contains serotonin and natural antioxidants that help regulate your sleep cycle. And when you sleep better, your eyes get more time to repair and hydrate. Good sleep means less eye dryness, less irritation, and better overall eye recovery. For seniors, this is especially important. Poor sleep is linked to increased eye pressure, worsening vision, and faster eye aging. So how should you use kiwi for the best results? Doctors recommend eating 1 or 2 kiwis about 1 hour before bedtime. Wash it well and eat it fresh, with or without the skin, depending on your preference. Avoid adding sugar or salt. Keep it natural. If you have diabetes, monitor your portion size, as kiwi contains natural fruit sugar. And if you take blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor before making it a daily habit. Consistency is the key. This is not a one-night miracle. But when you make kiwi a regular part of your evening routine, you may notice less eye dryness, better night vision, reduced eye strain, improved sleep quality, and stronger overall eye health. Remember, your eyes don't age overnight, and they don't heal overnight either. Small daily habits create long-term protection. Also, try to support your eyes during the day. Blink more when using screens, stay hydrated, and give your eyes short breaks every hour. But the nighttime routine is where real recovery happens. Think of it this way: while you rest, your eyes recharge. And a simple fruit like kiwi gives them the nutrients they need to do that job better. So tonight, instead of a heavy snack or sugary dessert, choose something your eyes will thank you for. Because protecting your vision is not about expensive treatments or complicated routines. Sometimes it starts with one small green fruit and one healthy habit before bed. Your eyes work hard for you every day. Now it's your turn to take care of them.